Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the program. So, guys, we all know that we talked about GB Euro USD giving us a bullish move yesterday prediction. Yesterday prediction that is that Euro USD will definitely going to give us a bullish move. And this is exactly the bullish move it gave us. It was here around here yesterday. If you've not watched it, you can go back to the channel to watch and confirm. Market was around this within this level. I told you guys that markets will push up to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. And exactly what Euro USD did. It is exactly what Euro USD. Now let's see what Euro USD will most likely do next. Now let's start with the trend. We clearly can see that this is a clear trend to the upside. It is trending upward, right? Now, if this is an uptrend move, if we take a look at this to be our higher high, here comes the higher low. We see this to be the higher high, and here comes the higher low. Then we take a look at this to be the higher high. Here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up and gave us a new higher high. So we will now be expecting higher low. So guys, you should be watching out for an higher low to play out this Thursday or Friday. Within this Thursday and Friday, an higher low will most likely play out on our Euro USD. If the higher low eventually plays out, then you should be expecting a new higher high. But first, be careful, take your buy. I mean, this is a massive bullish move. I want you guys to know. This is a bullish move. This is a bullish move that Euro USD has given. So an higher low will most likely going to play. Markets will want to exhaust before it continues the movement upward. So you should be watching out for the exhaustion anytime soon. So probably if it pushes up and give us one more pullback, then we can now go ahead and take it back. So the best time to take your buy is after the pullback. So watch out for your pullback, then look for your buy setup after the pullback, and then go ahead and take buy.